Okay, so 5 minutes are up. Got the butter here. So I'm gonna take our jalapenos and put them in a bowl. Boom. And we're actually gonna take just the foam top and get rid of that, and then we'll pour the butter into there. So scrape the foam off like that. And I'll be the first one to say I had little faith when I first read the instructions. Oh, just get the foam off the top. I'm like, really? That much foam? But yeah, it's a good bit of foam on here. Get as much foam as I can and a little butter as I can. Well, I guess it's all butter, but you know, the non-foamy butter. And then the rest of this to go is just to pour the liquid butter into here and then keep the hard chunks at the bottom away from it. So let's see how we do. I think that's the best I can do without getting a bunch of these chunks at the bottom. So you probably can't see it, but I'll show it to you. So that's the little butter chunks that they talk about at the bottom. Technically they call it milk chunks. So that's when you separate the butter, you have the foam on top and these milk chunks at the bottom. So now that's done, this here, I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit and let it sit for a little bit. I'm waiting my lobster claws to thaw out. And once they thaw out, I'll go on and cook those. And then I'll make the pasta at the same time and cook my lobster claws. All right, well that's it. That is my jalapeno butter. I'm just gonna kind of swirl that around, let that enjoy itself a little bit. Actually, oh, forgot the paprika. See, about to screw up. So I don't have paprika, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of this Creole seasoning since I don't have paprika. May not be a perfect match, but that's what I'm doing. And since I didn't have the full tablespoon, since I'm not making the full 3/4, I'm not gonna use a full tablespoon. Just add a little bit in there. We'll call it a day. Just a little bit, still, it's all in my nose. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. Excuse me. I'll let that sit for a bit until I get ready to make the lobster claws. All right, I'll see you in a bit.